My name is Terje Fjelldal and I'm the founder of Norpost, and the reason why I started in this business was because I was 12 years old, I worked in a similar company in Dordrecht Media, and I got the idea of establish my own company. So when I was 16, also back in 1984, I established Norpost.
Norpost is the largest private distributor company in Norway today. We are distributing addressed mail and door-drop media like catalogs, leaflets, newspapers. We have many big clients like Specsavers, La Redoute, Bauhaus, many in the retail business in Norway. Norpost is in 18 different places in Norway. It's in the most cities. We are covering around 70% of the households in the country. Today we employ around 450 people, but hopefully when the monopoly ends we will double that.
In 2008 we changed from manually packing to automatically packing. Our first machinery was a Duplo Esper machinery, and the reason why we did it was because we have to reduce the cost in the packing. Manually cost was getting more and more expensive, and by using the machine we were able to reduce the cost by about 2/3, much more than we really expected when we started, but for us it was no option. We had to change the whole system pretty quick. When we used the machinery for packing, it's almost zero mistake. So it was both economically and quality reason behind our decision at that time. The Duplo Esper machine was perfect for us because it's little and it's easy to handle. Today we normally have 1 or 2 collators in every branches we have. That's enough. They are pretty reliable, so we don't need to have a backup machine standing in the office.
It was very easy to install them. It was really just plug in.
The worker we had at that time, they start working within a couple of hours with the machine without any really education before they start.
The mobility of machine is very easy. They are very small and compact, so it's just for us to ship them on a truck and send them to another office. So if we have big volume one week, it's easy for us to send a machine from one office to the other office.
The main results by using the Esper Collator is of course that we could lower our cost compared to manually packing, and we still managed to produce more and more on the Collator system because Duplo has made new models that goes even better than the old models, so we still managed to lower our cost per piece. That's the most important for us.
When it comes to internet, our business, well, it hasn't been affected because in a big way, because door-drop media in Norway is a very important media, especially for all the retailers. And we see that door-drop media together with internet works very well. It doesn't work that much alone, like standalone, but together they work very well. Our main challenge in Norpost, I think, will be the cost. We have to work more efficiency in every part of the company to lower the total cost and use less hours, I think, in everything we do. Duplo is a very important supplier for Norpost, and we see that the unaddressed mail are growing for Norpost part. So I think already now we can order at least 3 more machines from Duplo.
We have already recommended Duplo to many of our colleagues in Europe, and I know that some had already got the machinery from Duplo, so we of course recommend it to everyone that asks us.